All right, so the last thing I want to talk about a little bit is troubleshooting. We found a couple things that are a little quirky with the Air app, and these two little things will kind of help you out a little bit. The first thing that we noticed when we ran the infrastructure trial test was that the tab key on any keyboard, for some reason, and we do not know why, sends the iPad into a completely locked down state, which basically means it gets a white screen all the way across it. It's kind of an off-whitish color. So just remind your kids, do not hit the tab key. There's nothing we can do about fixing it. We've told ODE that's a problem, and it just looks like we're just going to have to, unfortunately, deal with that problem. But just remind your students not to hit the tab key. Now, what happens if they do hit the tab key? Or what happens if their computer gets locked down and they can't access it or anything? The easiest thing to do is on the iPad, there is a way to do what's called a hard restart, and it even works with the iPad being completely locked down. Okay, there's two buttons that you'll need to do on the iPad. The first one is the home button. That's this little button here, the one with the little box on it that you get to go back to your apps. And then the other one is up in the top, which is the power button. If you click and hold down both of these at the exact same time, it'll do a hard restart. So if anything's locked up, what that'll then do is it'll actually put it back to the start of the app. Now, we are hoping, and we've been told that if we do a hard restart or something like that on an iPad, that the kids should be able to start back with where they first got locked down at. So all of their previous test questions should be submitted or should be saved in the cache. Okay? Outside of that, if you have any additional questions or anything else, please talk to your building test coordinator about how they're going to go about helping you and getting us, the technology department, to be able to know that there's an issue in your building. All right. Thank you very much.